Namaste. The second session of electromagnetic waves were related to the electromagnetic spectrum. So at the time, Maxwell predicted the existence of electromagnetic waves. The only familiar electromagnetic wave was a visible light. Then later, the UV and the infrared were barely detected. Then in the 19th century, X-ray and the gamma rays were detected. So these were classified on the basis of how they were detected and how they were produced. So mainly these were arranged on the basis of wavelength and frequency. So here you can see the rays I have written. So X-ray, gamma ray, UV, visible, infrared, radio waves, microwaves as according to the increasing wavelength. So for the for the increasing frequency, it should be from here. Microwave, radio wave, infrared, visible, UV, X-ray, gamma rays. Okay, here you can see the visible, right? So visible means that we can see. So these are having 7 colors. That is a VIBGYOR. So VIBGYOR means here V means violet, I indigo, B blue, G green, Y yellow, O orange, R red. That is VIBGYOR. The 7 colors. So these are in the wavelength range from 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. Okay. So next I have written here the rays and have written here the wavelength and how they were production has taken place and how they were detected. So let us discuss one by one. So the first one is a radio waves. So these are having the wavelength range greater than 0.1 meter. Okay, it is having the wavelength range 0.1 meter. So how they were produced, how they were production is taken place. So that production is due to the rapid acceleration and deceleration of electrons in the areals. So in the areals, the rapid acceleration and the deceleration of the electrons taken place. So due to that, these radio waves were produced. So later they were received by the receivers areals. Okay. So this is about the radio waves. So what are the uses of these radio waves? They are used in the different wireless communication. So the main use of radio waves is that they are used in the different type of wireless communication. Okay. And the second one is the microwaves. So microwaves is having the wavelength range from 0.1 meter to 1 millimeter. 0.1 meter to 1 millimeter. How they were produced? They were produced by the klystron wall or a magneton wall. So then they were detected by the point contact diodes. Okay, they were detected by the point contact diodes. So micro. So we are familiar with this usage in a domestic use. That is a microwave ovens. Okay, the main use of this microwave is the microwave ovens, and they were used in the radar system for aircraft navigation. Okay, they are used in the radar system. Okay, and the third one is a infrared rays. So infrared rays is of having the wavelength range 1 millimeter to 700 nanometer. 1 millimeter to 700 nanometer. So they were produced by the vibration of atoms and molecules. Okay, these infrared rays were produced by the vibration of atoms and molecules, they were detected by the instruments called thermopiles or and polymer, and also they can be seen through the photographic film also. So mainly they are due to the detected due to with the thermophiles and the polymer instruments. So infrared rays, and the use of these infrared rays in a remote switching. Okay, mainly they are used in the remote switching, and also they are used in the remote control keypads, and they are also used for the weather forecasting. Okay, it is mainly having three uses. So remote switching, remote control keypads, and the weather forecasting. Okay, and the fourth one is a light waves, or else it can be visible light. So they are having the wavelength range from 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. So Webjot, okay, this one 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. So these are produced by the electron of atom emit light when they move from one energy level to the another energy level. When the electrons were moving in a atoms, when they emit a light, when they are moving from one energy level to another energy level, they are the photons. I mean light is emitted. That light is a visible light. So they can be detected with the help of our eye. Okay. So this is a visible light. Okay, and the next one is a UV. UV means ultraviolet rays. They are in the wavelength range from 1 milli and 1 nanometer to 400 nanometer, and they are produced by the moving of inner shell electrons. The movement of the inner shell electrons will lead to produce a UV rays, and they were detected by the photocells and the photographic film. Okay, they are detected by the photocells and the photographic film. So the main use of these ultraviolet rays is they are used in a LASIK surgery. That is a surgery for eye. Okay, that is a LASIK surgery, and they were used to kill the germs in water purification. Okay, it is having the two uses. They are used in a LASIK surgery, and they are used to kill germs in a water purification. Okay, and the next one is a X-ray. So this X-ray is having the wavelength range from 10 to the power minus 3 millimeter to 1 nanometer to 1 nanometer. So they are produced by the X-ray tubes or the inner shell electrons, and they are detected by the Geiger tubes. Okay, they are detected by the Geiger tubes. The main use of this X-ray where they are used in a medicine for the in medicine they are used as a diagnostic tools, and they are also used to detect the fractures, and they are also used for some cancer treatment. Okay, so mainly they are used in a diagnostic tools in a medicine, and for the detection of the fracture, and also for the some treatment of cancer. Okay, and the last one is a gamma ray. They are having the wavelength range less than 10 to the power minus 3 nanometer, and they were produced by the radioactive decay of the nucleus. Okay, they are produced by the radioactive decay of the nucleus. So the main use of this gamma ray is they are used in a treatment of cancer. Okay, gamma rays are used in the treatment of cancer. So these are the points about the types of the electromagnetic spectrum and its wavelength, how they are produced and how they are detected, and including I have said about some uses of these rays or electromagnetic spectrum.